Muscle car corner. A lot of copos here today. Beautiful color combination on this one. Amazing. This a lot of history with this car, huh?
Yeah.
I love the paint. This goes back in original in the 60s, wasn't it? Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who owned this car originally?
Well, I lost my voice a couple days ago. A guy named Larry Cunningham and Jim Brazier built it originally, and whenever it was new.
Oh, nice.
My dad bought it in 1974.
Really?
So it's been in the family ever since.
Wow. That is a neat story. Man, I tell you what, I may come find you and talk to you further about this and get a video on this by itself. This car, I saw it at Gator Nationals. I got pictures of it and whatnot, but awesome. Good luck today, buddy. How'd it run?
Air is horrible.
A lot of history with this car. Owner owned it since 74. Really neat stuff. I love to see these old drag cars that have been around a long time and they're still doing it. Still getting it done. I want to hear this one run. I really like that tag. Him and his dad owned that car since 74.
What's that?
Him and his dad owned that car since 74.
Yeah, it's been around a long time. It does wheel stand.
Yeah, it does.
So, I was just talking to David Barton over there, and he was telling me he's not running factory stock this weekend. He's running super stock.
Really?
He's still got a factory stock vehicle, but he's tired of the drama of the whole class. That was a pretty interesting statement.
Really?
Yeah. So,
And
factory stock will be interesting. Let's
that's
see what
Ray
happens.
Barton's son?
Ray Barton's son.
Holy cow, I did not know that. Man, that's the car right there, isn't it? That Copo. Ray Barton's son's car, this Copo. Good stuff. Jeff was just talking to him. Got super gas coming out now. What's his first name? David.
You might know him.
Nate what?
He's focused on running that other thing. It's a great car.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
That is so cool looking at that 427 down the side. That's my color right there. Same color as my Z06.
Notice the double bubble type roof.
Yeah.
Engineered into that. Kind of a neat touch.
Is that, that's not from the factory? wrap up this section where they're doing the inspections through NHRA, and I want to hear this Ray Martin motor.